think it's opportunistic new world, so I don't think I'll be chasing the 20% odd. So I think it'll take a while to get the 500 million out. But look, I like income. I think there are a lot of underinvested assets, non-core. Whether they qualify for distress definition, I don't know. But I think with smart people, some money, and some signs of improvement in the occupier market, you could reposition these assets and try and shift it to a cheaper pool of capital over a period of time that should enable you to get double-digit returns. So that's where I put my money.
Okay, good. Diane?
I fully agree with that. And then I think if geographically I had the choice and the opportunity to find something, I probably would try to stay with the very liquid markets, investment markets, where local investors are strong as well in times of crisis, and which is probably the 4 or 5 biggest markets in Europe.
Okay, good. David?
I tend to agree with all that, actually. I mean, I wouldn't invest on the basis of a sort of macro view of things, and I wouldn't look to buy any loan portfolios because they're probably overpriced if you need the infrastructure to service them. Ideally, you'd find off-market deals, but they're very hard to find. So I think it would be a strategy of with sophisticated local operating partners trying to go below the radar and looking at particular sort of situations. They may be like discounted purchase options or recapitalising a borrower to bring a property or a portfolio onto a more sustainable basis. But always having regard to who is your target exit market and making sure the business plan is consistent with what you're trying to achieve.
Okay, good. And finally, Ralph.
I mean, first of all, I would not invest all the 500. I would only invest half of the 250 I would put aside, very safe. And with the existing 250, I would go into Latin America. I mean, I would bet on. I mean, Europe is in certain condition, but if you see what's going on there, I mean, there's growth all over. So, I mean, I would more go when we talk about opportunistic returns, then you have to take risk and you have to go in these markets.
Okay, and if you had to go into Europe with your other 250
I mean, Europe. I mean, as said, I mean, I guess Spain is pretty attractive currently.
Okay, so that would be the top.
Yeah, for me, Spain. I mean, Germany, yes, for sure, but Spain is for me one of the very interesting markets.
Okay, good. Thank you.